Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on YouTube? I am going to show you in today's video how to dropship and sell products on eBay and make easy money that you can create a whole new business around, and you can either add it to your Shopify stories or eBay stories. I am going to get into the details and get a bit more advanced, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. So what I want to do for you guys now, I am gonna go for products that you can sell on eBay store or Shopify store. I'm gonna show you these products right now. I will show you my 3 steps method that are doing great on eBay and you can use to start either your eBay. I'm gonna go through. Step 1, make sure the product is searched on Google Trends. Step 2, check eBay selling date to see if it's selling well on eBay. Step 3, on Alibaba, check the product to see if it's available for you or not, and to drop ship directly from the supplier and start selling yourself and earn money. We are gonna look at products that are doing really well on eBay. 3 categories: homeware and children entertainment and home fitness. So let's jump into it. We are going to go through and start off with the first product. I am going to show you exactly 3 steps to start selling on eBay. So let's get into it. So the first fitness product is yoga classes. A lot of people are used to going to yoga classes, so type in yoga mat on Google Trends. As you can see, yoga mat has been searched quite a bit on Google Trends. So we are going to come to Terabec. We are going to click on advanced search. We are going to click on best offer accepted and new fixed price last 30 days, and we are going to click research straight away. As you can see, 5% sell through. It's not high, I know that. Let's keep moving, but the meaning is to show you how to dropshipping and sell products on eBay. As you can see here, there are various different types of yoga mats that you can sell, and here that one seller has done $12K and $500 with simple message. $4K here, $2K or pounds, I think it is the same. All of them are doing quite a fair bit amount as well. So if you wanna set up a Shopify store or to see if yoga mats are possible to import, you need to come to Alibaba and search for it. And of course, yoga mats is a great business to start if you wanted to set up your own yoga mat store. Let's move to next fitness product that we can sell on eBay: waist trainer. When it comes to home fitness is waist trainer, and that we are going to look at. We are going to come to Terabec on eBay. We are going to type in waist trainer. We are going to click on advanced search. We are going to click on best offer accepted and new fixed price last 30 days, and we are going to click research straight away. 12% sell through. So let's see and check if it's available on Alibaba or not. We can see that here there are many different types of waist trainers, so you can start selling products on eBay. There are different niches that are doing really well right now, and you can use this method to help you to find products to sell on eBay, and you don't have to use or sell these particular products to start your Shopify dropshipping business or eBay businesses. Don't forget to watch my video on how to find suppliers that will help you jumpstart your business. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.